Wow, this supermarket is huge. Stay close to me, okay? Don't worry, Mom. I will.
Can I help today?
Of course. We shop together.
I'll be your helper. What fruit is this?
It's a dragon fruit.
Ah.
It looks amazing.
Would you like some fresh bread?
Yes, please.
What do you say? Thank you. It's delicious.
Wow.
Dinosaur cookies.
Finn, keep walking.
Just 1 second.
Mom. Mom, where are you? Mom.
If we ever get separated, don't run around.
Okay, stay calm. I remember. Mom told me to find an employee. There she is. Excuse me.
Hello? Can I help you?
I can't find my mom.
You did the right thing by asking me.
We're going to the customer service desk.
Will my mom find me there?
Yes, please stay with me.
Okay. Attention, shoppers.
This is Finn. Hello, Finn. You're safe here. Thank you for helping me. Attention, shoppers. Finn is waiting safely at the customer service desk. Finn's mother, please come to the front of the store.
I hope Mom hears that. I want my dad.
Don't worry. The staff will help you too.
Let's color together. Okay.
Your dad will come soon. Finn.
Mom? Was that Mom?
Stay here, Finn.
You're doing a great job.
Mom told me to stay here.
She'll be proud of you.
Mom.
Finn. I was so worried. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm so happy you're safe. Finn made very smart choices.
I'm very proud of you.
I remembered your lesson.
You stayed calm and did the right thing.
Next time, I'll stay even closer to you.
That's my smart boy.
I learned something important today. Thank you for helping with the groceries.
I like helping you.
You did a wonderful job today.
Seatbelt first.
Done.
Perfect. Safety first. Mom?
Yes?
Yeah? I was really scared today.
I know, but you stayed calm.
Running makes it harder to find you.
I'm glad I remembered your advice.
That helped us find each other quickly. She's staying close to her dad.
That's a smart choice.
I'll always stay close to.
Thank you for helping again.
I like helping our family.
You're becoming very responsible. Let's unpack everything together.
Okay. I'll put the fruit here.
Great helper.
You earned these cookies today.
Really? Thank you.
I'm proud of you. There's a surprise inside. Let's see what you got. I'm so excited. Look, I got a blue dinosaur. It's perfect for you. I'll always remember today's lesson. This dinosaur is my favorite now.
Why is it special?
It reminds me to make smart choices.
If you're ever lost again, always stay where trusted adults can find you.
I will remember.
That's my brave boy. What are you drawing?
The day I found the customer service desk.
That's a great memory.
Look, everyone is smiling.
Because everyone helped each other.
Helping people feels good. Can we play for a while?
Of course.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Finn. Hi, Nia. How was your day? I got this today. It's so cool. It reminds me to stay calm. I couldn't find my mom. Oh, were you scared? Yes, but I stayed calm.
You made the right choice.
My mom's advice helped me.
I'm proud of both of you.
Today became a good day after all, because you stayed calm and because you remembered what to do. I'll never forget. Good morning, Nia. Good morning, Finn. Today will be fun! Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I'm ready to learn.
Who knows what to do if you get lost?
I do.
Please tell the class. I stayed calm and found a supermarket employee.
Excellent choice.
Good job, Finn! Always stay where trusted adults can find you.
Very good advice.
That's exactly what helped me.
Let's play after class.
Great idea!
Great idea. Oh no. We'll help you. Don't worry. Thank you. You're welcome.
Friends help each other.
Can I eat with you?
Of course!
Everyone is welcome.
Helping others makes me happy.
Me too.
Let's go back to class.
Today we'll learn about safety.
Nan. I like this topic.
Me too.
Always ask a trusted adult for help.
That's what I did.
It was the safest choice.
Excuse me, we need help. Thank you.
Excellent teamwork.
I can't find the library. We'll help you. Come with us. Thank you. You're welcome.
Enjoy your books.
Did you pack everything?
Books, homework, lunchbox, all done.
Great job. We learned a lot today, and we help people too. That makes me happy. Helping people feels great. Kindness always comes back. I think so too. May I help you?
That would be wonderful.
We'll carry them together. Thank you, children.
We're happy to help.
Have a wonderful day. Helping her made me feel happy. Kindness always makes the world brighter. Let's keep helping people. Mom, I'm home. Welcome home.
See you tomorrow, Finn. Did you have a good day?
Yes, I helped many people today.
I'm very proud of you. What was the best part of your day?
Helping the lost boy and the old lady.
Kindness is always the best choice. Every smart choice keeps us safe.
I understand now.
I'm glad you do. Sleep well, Finn.
Good night, Mom.
Sweet dreams. Tomorrow, I'll help someone again.
Every new day brings a new chance to make a good choice.
Ready for another great day.
Yes, I'll keep making smart choices.
That's my wonderful boy. Let's make today another good day. Together, we always can. Good morning, Nia.
Good morning. Ready for another great day?
Always.
He looks lonely.
Let's say hello.
Great idea.
Hi, I'm Finn. I'm Leo. Welcome to our school, Leo. I was afraid today. You don't have to be alone. We're your friends now. I forgot my pencil. No, you can use mine. Sharing is caring. Come play with us. Really? Of course! This is fun! I'm glad you're smiling. Friends make every day better. Thank you for being my friend.
See you tomorrow.
Have a great evening. Today we help someone feel welcome. Small kindness can change a whole day. Let's keep doing that. Every day is a chance to make a good choice. And every good choice helps someone. See you in our next adventure.